The Spokane Regional Health District is preparing for its largest H1N1 vaccine clinic tomorrow at the Spokane Arena.
And KXLY4's Tori Brunetti is there live tonight. And Tori, the health district isn't making any predictions, though, on how many people will show up, right?
Yeah, they say it's impossible to predict who will show up tomorrow or how many people will show up tomorrow. But tomorrow at 9 a.m. when these doors open, they are prepared to give out 4,300 vaccine. Spokane police and arena security will be on hand to monitor the situation. The Red Cross is going to show up to help out any way they can. And the health district has 150 trained volunteers and staff available to handle a large group of people who want to get vaccinated.
This is as big as we've ever done it.
A small army of people are busy setting up for tomorrow's flu clinic, from setting up tables and chairs to putting up signs so people know where to go.
We're just trying to make the flow very easily understood so people get to the right place and have the right paperwork in hand.
The health district has no idea how many people are going to show up here tomorrow, but they are prepared for people to show up in the thousands. This flu clinic is broke up into a series of 4 steps. This is the first step where you get your health history form, and this is the beginning of the line. It wraps all the way down there, comes back around to right here, which is the end of the line on the other side of this barrier. After you get through the first line and have filled out your health history form, you can go to the second station to have your paperwork screened. And after that, you head to the vaccination area. Each station has a number and a color. Blue means nasal spray. Green means shot.
We have a lot of vaccinators here trying to move people through as quickly as we can.
There are a total of 40 vaccination stations. 40 vaccination stations to give out a total of 800 H1N1 shots and 3,500 nasal spray vaccines. Both vaccine types will be given out on a first-come, first-served basis, only to people considered high risk. And health district officials are hoping people will be honest.
So people who are not at greater risk, we're just asking them to have a bit of patience and wait until there's enough vaccine for everyone and let those high-risk people get it first.
Now, that information you're looking at right now is very important information because tomorrow's flu clinic is from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. and only people considered high risk will qualify. Pregnant women, children, teenagers, healthcare providers, and people who have an underlying illness are all considered high risk. If you're not considered high risk, you're going to have to wait a little bit longer to get vaccinated. In Spokane, Tori Brunetti, KXLY4 HD News.
All right, Tori, thank you. In Idaho, the Panhandle Health District says it is no longer taking appointments for H1N1 vaccinations. Health officials say the available appointments were booked up within 5 hours.